This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the basics. Put the watch face down on a soft towel so the crystal stays safe. Use a spring bar tool or a small flat screwdriver. That instrument compresses the spring bar so the strap can release. Inspect the lugs closely and decide whether the strap uses quick-release pins or traditional spring bars. This changes your technique. Once done, position the tool at the lug hole and apply gentle inward pressure. You'll feel the bar compress and the strap. You now compress and extract the strap. Hold the watch body steady with one hand to avoid slips. Insert the tool tip into the lug gap, push the spring bar inward, and gently lever it out of the hole while easing the strap away. If it resists, stop and rotate the strap a bit. That relieves tension and reveals the bar head. Once one side clears, repeat for the other side. Make sure to keep track of removed bars so they don't roll away. You finish by inspecting parts and reinstalling or storing the strap safely. Clean lint from the lugs and check spring bars for bends or corrosion. Replace them if needed so the watch stays secure. When reinstalling, align the bar ends, compress, and seat into the lug holes until you hear or feel a click. If the pin slips out, don't force it. Use tweezers or swap in a new spring bar of the correct length. For stubborn pins, a drop of light oil can help them move.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.